In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Dell laptop touchpad that is not working. First, click the Start menu and open Settings. Next, select Bluetooth and Devices, then click on Touchpad. Make sure the Touchpad option is turned on. If it is already enabled, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on again. After that, right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. In the Device Manager window, expand the Human Interface Devices section. Look for HID Compliant Touchpad or another touchpad-related device. If you find it, right-click on the device and select Enable Device if that option is available. If the device is already enabled, right-click on it and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall to confirm. Once the uninstall process is complete, restart your Dell laptop. After the restart, Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. After enabling the touchpad, check whether it is working properly. That's it. This is an easy way to fix a Dell laptop touchpad that is not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials for Insight Tech. Thanks for watching.